Apple cider vinegar is celebrated by health enthusiasts worldwide for its versatile health benefits. Derived from fermented apples, this tangy elixir is rich in acetic acid, vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds, making it more than just a kitchen ingredient. Whether you're aiming to improve digestive health, embark on a natural weight loss journey, or seek relief from sore throats, apple cider vinegar might be the wellness ally you've been searching for. In today's exploration, we'll delve into 10 compelling health benefits of apple cider vinegar. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist before incorporating it into your diet, especially if you have dietary restrictions, food allergies, or prior health concerns. Number 1. Blood sugar regulation. Apple cider vinegar aids in better blood sugar management, primarily through acetic acid. It interferes with enzymes that break down starches, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, it improves insulin sensitivity, facilitating more efficient sugar absorption by cells. Number 2. Weight loss. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may increase feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. It also boosts metabolism, leading to a slight increase in calorie burning throughout the day, thereby aiding in gradual weight reduction. Number 3. Heart health. Acetic acid may help lower blood pressure by promoting the production of nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels, and improving blood flow. Apple cider vinegar also contains antioxidants that prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Number 4. Digestive health. Consuming apple cider vinegar before meals may increase stomach acidity, aiding in digestion and alleviating symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Its probiotic content supports a healthy gut microbiome, while pectin promotes beneficial gut bacteria growth and healthy bowel movements. Number 5. Skin health. The antimicrobial properties of apple cider vinegar help reduce bacteria and pathogens on the skin, balancing its natural pH and enhancing its protective function. Diluted solutions can be used as toners or spot treatments for conditions like acne, stretch marks, and itching. Number 6. Hair health. Apple cider vinegar restores the scalp's natural pH, promoting healthier hair by removing product buildup and stimulating circulation to the hair follicles, supporting better nutrient delivery and hair growth. Number 7. Sore throat relief. Its antibacterial properties can provide relief from sore throats by disrupting bacterial growth, reducing mucus, and soothing irritation when diluted and gargled with warm water. Number 8. Reduces acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar may increase stomach acidity, preventing acid reflux by improving the lower esophageal sphincter's function and facilitating smooth digestion. Number 9. Bone health. Despite its acidic nature, apple cider vinegar has an alkalizing effect after metabolism, potentially reducing the body's need to leach calcium from bones. It also aids in calcium absorption, crucial for maintaining bone density. Number 10. Teeth whitening. The acidic properties of apple cider vinegar help dissolve surface stains on teeth, leading to a brighter smile when used as a diluted rinse. While apple cider vinegar offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to use it in moderation and diluted with water to prevent potential side effects such as tooth enamel erosion or throat irritation. Certain individuals, including those with gastrointestinal issues, kidney problems, or osteoporosis, should exercise caution or avoid its use altogether. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Please like and subscribe if you like the video.